Okay. The first thing you're going to do is to download XAMPP. So you go to your browser and click on download XAMPP and type download XAMPP. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download XAMPP for my Windows. So the first link there, that's what I clicked on to download the XAMPP. So after that, I click on the latest version to download it. Once you started downloading, you can see that it's moved over to the next tab. So I'm done downloading, so I want to install. I'm installing it now. So next, then to just install it. So once I'm done installing, I clicked on finished. So it's done. Open the panel. So the first thing I'm going to do, first two up, I'm going to start them. Start. There's the application of SQL. I'm starting them now. So after starting them, I'm going to minimize this. So I'm going to go to my database, to upload my database. So I'm going to go to my phpMyAdmin. So since I'm using localhost, I'm going to type on localhost /phpMyAdmin. Yes, I'll click on enter. After clicking on entered, you can see it brings me to my panel for my phpMyAdmin. The next thing is to get my file name, what I want to name my database. So before then, since I will have to copy the zip folder for the knowledge hub into my XAMPP folder. So I'm going to copy it. So I'll go back to my localhost, scroll down to my localhost, my local disk. Sorry about that. Open XAMPP. Go to the H document, then paste it inside. Paste the document and paste it inside. Then I will unzip it. That's extract all because it was in a zip folder. And after that, I'm going to open it. And that's our database knowledge hub 2. So I'm going to click on it to get the name. You cannot type it yourself, but I'll just click on it to get the name. So I can put it in the phpMyAdmin. So I've clicked on it. I've copied the name. I've come to my phpMyAdmin, clicked on new. Then you can see where I put the name. I'll paste it there. Then click on create. After that, I'll go to my import to import the same database. Click on it. Then navigate there. Go to my local disk, XAMPP. Inside the folder, I'll go to my htdocs. Then that's the Okay, I'm going to click on it now and upload it. Then scroll down and just import. You don't need to do any setting here, just import. Then once you import, you will see a successful message that everything has been imported. So we are done importing our database. The next thing we're going to do now is to I noticed that our document is inside two folders, so I want to bring it out to one folder. So I copy it from the other folder to the first folder. So I cut it. I'll copy and just arrow back and put it in the other folder so it will just be a single folder. Then I delete the other one. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete our zip folder that is inside the XAMPP documents because we don't need it again. We're only using the one that we extracted. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to get the name. So I'm copying the name. I will now go to my browser, open another tab, and type in localhost / then I'm going to paste the name of the folder that I copied. I'm going to paste in there. So paste, then enter button. So now it has opened. So there's what is there now is a demo. So the admin panel, so you just see the name and everything there, the password, for you to sign in. So once you are done with that, you sign in. That's all about how to log in. So you will see that after this, I log into the editor. I log out again and log in to the user. I name it as the viewer. So that's what I just did there. So you can actually register other participants and log in. So that's all about it. Let me know if you have any question.